Hey people, Kiara here from My Digital Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting a $25 business using My Lead Gen Secrets. Now we just starting back up again, we're getting back to it. I'm sorry that I stopped before, and I'm trying to give you guys more information and like show you guys that this does work. I want to show you guys that this can help you out, get you some extra money every month in the easiest way possible. Alright, so guys, if you're interested in following along, links are in the description. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Let's get started. Okay, so first off, what I want to do is talk about the results of yesterday. It looks like we did get a sale yesterday, but let's refresh the page to make sure. Just to show you guys these are real results. I'm not making these up because it's easy to change numbers around on web pages if you don't refresh the page. Remember that, guys. Don't believe results if it ain't refreshed. Alright guys, looks like it is a bell here, guys. Absolutely amazing.
Nice.
Alright, so far that's 3 or 4 sales. I'm not entirely sure. Going pretty well here. Looks pretty good. I'm happy about it. Extra money coming in. But for just doing this, so simple and easy to do, right? But anyway, guys, the reason why I like promoting this particular product because it has 80% recurring income. And you get paid every month 80%. System costs $25, you get $20 of that. You know what I mean? So I have 4 sales here. It's fantastic. And getting back into it here. So this is the link that we need to get here that you can use. That's the one I use. Choose any one you want, but this is the one I use to get me sales. Alright guys? It's the one I particularly use and it does well for me. So first and foremost, you want to click on that link in the description that says incomespeaks.com. Alright, it's going to take you to this page here, all on one page here, and this is just going to talk about the product. See 80% of the commissions, get $20 commissions, $100 commissions, so on and so forth, $400 commissions and $800 commissions. So I'm just going to tell you all of them right now. It's another product in the system. They add products too. Anyway guys, it's just showing you all the information you need to know here. Like that right there, you just click on yes if you want access to all of this stuff, right? It's gonna take you to this page where you put all your information in real quick. There's also a page here for show you how to do ads, and this is gonna show you how to do a bunch of ads and stuff like that. You can just say yes, add 14-day free test drive, my order, which is absolutely fun, fantastic here. Now this is where you get your $125 here. I mean your $100 offer here, but it's free for two weeks. Remember that, guys. So anyway, you just complete the order. It says here you'll eventually get to a point where you'll be able to get your links. This is the link that I use here. Now once you have this link, I'm gonna promote it using this product here. All right guys. Clicked the wrong thing, sorry about that. Get to here, all right, which is My Lead Gen Secrets. You just log in, do all the stuff, log in your account. Very simple, very simple. If you made an account before, you know how to make it. But anyway, once you get in here, you're gonna go down here, you're gonna click on all your leads here, and you're gonna click on whichever one you want. As I said before, this one seemed to work, so we're just gonna use this one again, see what happens. If I get sales, them are the ones I like to use. All right, so this is the email here. The email I'm gonna send is 200 minute sale. Income so high, blah blah blah. Get started today, build your income, and click perfect timing. They'll send an email around time people check email, so it's a better chance of them checking the email. Just hit send email. You get sales. Don't worry about the numbers it say. If you get sales with an email, just use that over and over again. That tends to work the best. But that's all it takes, guys. Very simple and very easy process. Takes me about 5 minutes to make this video. It takes you about 30 seconds to do. All right, once you got your emails in there, you gotta type your emails in there. Then once you do that, it takes you about 30 seconds. And like I say, I show you the whole email here. You can just pause the video, make sure you get everything. You put your link right here. It's totally fine. All right, guys. Hey, I have no problem with you using what the emails I wrote and making this happen. Very simple process. I don't mind at all. So anyway, guys, that's all there is to it. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Bye. Have a beautiful time.